Hey, let me show you the fingerprint sensor test on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. So the sensor is actually located in the screen, and I'm gonna make few unlocks from the turn off screen, and then we are going to jump into the lock screen so we can actually check the speed, how it works. As you can see, there's actually small delay when I'm gonna touch it and after I actually go into the home screen, but it actually recognizes my finger all the time, which is really good. There's also cool animation around my finger every time I touch the sensor. I also like it. Now let's start from the lock screen. As you can see, it's definitely faster when you actually unlock the phone from the lock screen, which is really nice. There we go. And that's how it looks. So yeah, the sensor is reliable. It actually recognizes my finger all the time, and I really enjoy using the sensor. That's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.